Hey guys, so I have Anil with us. Anil is gonna do some unboxing.
Hello.
Hey Anil, how are you feeling?
I'm excited.
um, all right.
So,
I mean, we should have done more work in the boxing, but yeah, it's okay. Next
okay,
time.
I'm gonna open it.
Yeah,
Let's see. Oh, here is a t-shirt.
yeah.
Okay, Algorizin t-shirt. Let me open this.
Probably it looks like the good size for you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have the Algorizin color over here.
Yeah.
It's really good. We have the Algorizin sticker.
Little things.
Okay.
Um,
Now here's the diary where I can keep track of my daily things.
if you have like some ideas,
Yeah.
writing those down.
Yeah. Here's the pen to write in the diary.
Yeah.
And this one is what's this? Ring to hold the keys.
Yeah, kitchen.
Yeah, kitchen.
Yeah.
And I have the letter from our CEO.
I met you in this like the restaurant in Jackson Heights, Queens, and now we are in Bushwick, Brooklyn.
Yeah.
And this has been 1 year. You are not. You just graduated that time, I think, from CCNY. How are you feeling? Like, how has your journey been in the last 1 year? Yeah, we felt so excited. Overall, how while are you making doing this in your thing. life, in the job and stuff? Hopefully, this fits you.
Yeah, it does. Journey was really tough in the beginning, but we get a lot of help from mentors and from you especially. I get a lot of support from you and all of the other mentors from Algorizin. So it got easier because of your guidance and everything. And I have been working, I say, a good stable job.
Yeah.
It's going well. I got like a support and everything on how to keep the job, or how to be a better at day-to-day job. So that has been really helpful for me.
Yeah, no, thank you for saying that, Anil. I was just telling you, I mean, we had a good dinner. Thanks for the treat. But I feel like I'm really looking forward to having like a what should I say? Like after 10 years, we have like another hangout. I'm sure that we'll have again when you are like in a senior role, and we'll have like a bigger team, bigger reunion. But yeah, Anil, I just wanted to capture this moment. I mean, I'm just seeing you after 1 year, so very special. I wish that Manjit and other people were here, but yeah, do you want to say anything to the audience? I know that I'm just doing a video on the rooftop, not very professional here, but yeah. For the students who are getting in the Algorizin, if they can, what are the best ways they can utilize this community? Or if you have any advice to anyone who is struggling right now, doesn't even have to be in Algorizin. Yeah, any advice for new young people?
My advice will be, I'm not very good at giving advice, but whatever I felt is, the most important thing is, do not lose hope. And if you feel like something is not on the track, get help from the mentors or the other people who can assist you or guide you. If you are in Algorizin, obviously our mentors like Mentor Siam, Mentor Annie, and Mentor Salman, and everyone, they are ready to help you in each and every step. Getting the proper guidance, this is the most important thing. If you get the proper guidance, then you will be on the right track.
Awesome. Thank you, Anil.